Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it's not just another vlog, it is the first episode of Falling for Fall. I am so in the fall spirit. I'm so excited. September to me means fall. Honestly, even mid-August screams fall to me, but for some reason, it took me a little bit of time to get into the fall spirit, but baby, she's here. I am fully in the fall zone. I'm very excited. If you're new here, I do a Falling for Fall series every single fall on my channel, and this is year, I wanna say like 6 or 7, I don't even know anymore, but it's gonna be jam-packed. It's a lot of fall home content as well as some lifestyle things sprinkled in there, maybe even some fashion, we'll see. But for today's video, the first episode of this year, we are going to be going to Homegoods. We're gonna be doing some fall home decor shopping. I'm really excited because I'm just always excited to shop. Like, when am I not excited to shop? So if you feel the same, if you're excited as well, then please just keep on watching. We have officially arrived at Homegoods, aka my home away from home. When you first walk into Homegoods, you are greeted by all of the Halloween decor. I'm not a huge Halloween person. I'm definitely more of a fall girl. So I headed straight over to the pillows, picked up a couple, of course. They have a huge variety of different pillows always, but I really try to get the ones that are more fall colored instead of ones with pumpkins, even though this one right here has pumpkins on it. I couldn't resist that one, but this section right here with all the fall tones is really where I tend to gravitate towards when getting fall home decor pillows. In this decor section over here, I wouldn't necessarily look at the blue vases and bowls, but then I spotted these blue acorns, and I just feel like if you have this design in your home, this would be really, really cute. I found these weights. You guys, I don't know, should I go back and get these for the home gym? I just thought this was really funny. They're marble. I actually love them. And then moving on to the towels section, as you can see, lots of Halloween. I went over to the art section. I really didn't find anything. I love all of the lamps, you guys. Homegoods has the best lamps. I thought this tall one was really cool and really different and unique. I've never seen a lamp like that before, so I would definitely pick that up. If I had the space, I probably would. I saw some really cute nightstands. I loved this wooden one. It was only $150 and I thought it was just gorgeous. Of course, we had to look at the pumpkins and the candles, you guys. Like, this is the fall section, okay? If you're coming to decorate for fall, this area over here, this is really the only area you need to be in. They had so much stuff. Homegoods always has a bunch of stuff. I think it would be really unique and different to decorate with these pears. I feel like everyone is going to be decorating with pumpkins, myself included. I think the pears are really different and unique. They had a bunch of different fall kitchen towels and a bunch of ceramic different kitchenware that I thought was also really, really cute. Okay, you guys, we are back home from shopping at Homegoods, and I wanted to show you all of the fall goodies that I picked up. You guys, I did good. Okay, first things first, I got this pumpkin candle holder. If you have been following for a while, last fall I did a DIY with a pumpkin candle holder that looked just like this. It's metal, it's gold, and it has these leaves up at the top. What I did last year was I clipped these leaves off. Like, I literally, well, I think it was Rob. Yeah, it was definitely Rob. He cut these leaves off of here so that it would just be the plain wiring in the pumpkin shape instead of the leaves. The leaves are cute, but I wanted to have a similar look to the Pottery Barn pumpkins that are like $79. This was only $13. So I figured I could just cut the leaves off, and I think I would like this a lot more. I mean, I know I would. I did this exact same thing last year. Just put a candle, a pillar candle in here, maybe even one that's like a flameless. I think would look so gorgeous. So I cannot wait to decorate with this. Okay, sticking with the candle holder theme, I don't know if this is fall, but something about this just called to me. It looks like this. I think this is just really cool and different. I feel like mixed with like brown decor on a brown coffee table book with a little tea light inside would look really nice. This is not something that I would normally gravitate towards, but it is ceramic and it's green. It adds a nice like pop of color. It's a darker green color for fall. I don't know, I just really liked this. There was something about this that I thought would be really cute on a coffee table, just like when you need a little something for decor, but you don't want to do too much, you don't want to do anything big. These little things are kind of nice to have every once in a while, just to add, yeah, like a little texture. Obviously a little light when you have a candle in here, and I think this is really nice. Okay, and what is a fall haul without a candle? I thought this one was gorgeous. It's Vanilla Brulee, a DW home candle. It's a wood wick candle, which I love. I just loved, obviously, like the size of this, but I also love that it had feet, like these golden feet at the bottom. I just thought this looked so nice and so high end. It obviously smells amazing, very fall, very sweet dessert, vanilla. Like, I just really like this overall. So not only does it add that fall scent to your home, but it's just very aesthetically pleasing. It's very chic. Okay, next up, you guys, this is very random. I don't know, something about this was calling to me. I just had to have this house. You guys, this is this is out of my comfort zone, but I promise you, if you have everything neutral, everything like you know the vibes, having like a little pop of something fun like this, it makes sense. It's not as like busy and trinkety. If you just have like one on like a mantle on your coffee table, you can put a tea light in here. I just thought this was really cool, really cute. I want to get creative styling this. I could put it on a mantle. I don't know where I want to put this, but I just love this. I don't know, maybe I just really love this house and I was like, I want this house, but I just thought this was really cute. I think in the evenings with a candle, you have to see the vision. You have to see the vision. When I style it, it's gonna make sense. It's gonna be like, oh, okay, that's cute. Like, it's not too much. But then again, like maybe it is a lot. Maybe it is kind of like cheesy and corny, but I really like this. It draws to me, so that automatically makes it cool. Okay, next up are a bunch of pillows. It came in a set of 2. And like I was saying in one of my last videos, something about getting a set of 2 makes me feel like I'm getting a deal. It's these large decorative pillows. I just loved the texture and I loved the pattern. I thought this was really different. I don't usually get things in a pattern. They're still neutral. I figured with like a brown pillow, I want this to be the background pillow. Like, I want to put this on my couch in the background and have like a brown pillow in front. I think would be really, really nice. And then maybe like a pumpkin pillow next to the brown one in front of this one. That's a lot of pillows, but I just have a vision for this. Very neutral, very chic. In person, it's kind of hard to tell what the pattern is. On camera, it really picks up the detail, but in person, the texture is so much that you can't really even see this diamond pattern that well. But I just thought this was really cool and different. Okay, and then sticking with more pillows, I got this one. I was thinking in the sunroom on our couch, obviously, like just putting it in the middle, I think would be really nice. I loved how this was like tan, yes, kind of like a brownish color, but it almost pulls yellow. Like when I first saw it, I thought it was just like a darker like yellow color. On camera, it looks a little bit beige, but I do really like this. I think it screams fall without being too much. Okay, and one more pillow. I got this one. I thought this was beautiful. I loved the brown velvet and I also love the pumpkins. It's like 2 different types of textures. It is a lot deeper in person than the camera is picking it up. Like, you almost can't even tell a difference in color between the pumpkin and the velvet background of the pillow. I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. I randomly saw this. It wasn't even in the pillow section. I guess someone changed their mind, and shout out to whoever changed their mind, because I was able to take this home. I think this is really, really nice. Obviously, it is very like in your face fall with the pumpkin. It's very literal. It's very literal fall, but I think this is really nice. Maybe even with those pillows over there, I think would look good either way. And my favorite flowers are hydrangeas, so I had to pick these up. I love the color on this. It is very, come on Brie. I told them to put their headphones on so that we wouldn't hear like iPad, but I was like, get your iPads. I need a minute to film. Anyway, and we have soccer later, so I need to actually pick up the pace. But moving on, yeah, so I just love these. I love the color. This color is perfect for fall. Really into like browns, like rusted oranges. Obviously, I feel like that's just like quintessential fall. So I had to get some fall color flowers. And I think these are really, really pretty. I love these. I also need to go to our storage unit and pick up my fall bins that are full of fall home decor. I probably should have did that first, but that's okay. Okay, and then I don't know if this is technically fall, but I really liked these hand towels and I thought it would look nice because I usually put like a couple little pumpkins in the bathroom. I have fall plugins from Bath and Body Works that have like leaves and pumpkins on them. So I don't know, I just thought this would go with the vibe. Right now, I think our hand towels are just like white, really plain and simple. So I wanted to add a little bit of black in there. These are kind of like a beige cream color. It's not like white, but I thought these would look nice. Hanging in the bathroom, a little pumpkin, a little candle next to it would just be really cute. Okay, so now these next couple of things are kind of random. I saw these dominoes and I thought it would be fitting for me to learn how to play dominoes because if you watched my previous video, I did a dominoes coaster DIY. So when I saw these there, I was like, you know what? They were only $15. I just felt like it would only be appropriate if I actually learned how to play dominoes. So that's kind of the idea that I had in my head. We are board game people, we are game night people. So I was like, let's just learn how to play dominoes. Why not? I already did the DIY, probably a little bit backwards. Like I should have learned to play and then did a DIY, but it's fine. So we're gonna learn. I think they're really, really cute. I love the different colors, like it's fun. And then I got a set of pens. Again, very, very random, but I've been journaling a lot. Every single morning, I write 3 pages in my morning pages. I run out of pens really quickly. And then I got this pencil case. It was there. I don't know. This was impulsive, but I was like, oh, this is cute. Black and white polka dot. Like that's adorable. If I was going to a coffee shop and I wanted to bring my journal, bring some pens, maybe draw, like I could bring like pencils and erasers in here. I just thought this was cute. So yeah, you guys, that is everything that I picked up at Homegoods. That is my fall haul. The first episode of Falling for Fall. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the next few episodes, obviously we are going to be decorating for fall, getting into the fall spirit even more. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe, okay? Because we have a lot of fall content coming up. I know you all love that. I love that too. I'm in the fall spirit. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my new fall home decor, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.